I know it's been a while since I uploaded a video, but I got the Spin Master Monster Jam of the 2-pack here for 2020, the color change. So we're gonna take a look at this. I got the one that has the Gravedigger and Max D. So let's go ahead and unbox this and take a look at it. On the back of the box real quickly, horsepower and W, which is supposed to stand for whiplash, and then there's a 33 degrees Celsius and then a 91 degree Fahrenheit, just telling you, you know, how hot and cold to reveal the steel here. So let's go ahead and unbox it. First off, let's take a look at Gravedigger. And the wheels on Gravedigger look differently. I don't know if you can see that in the video. Hopefully it comes out. And also the color of the chassis. So I've seen some stuff way back about these color changing trucks. So this is the only one I'm gonna get was these two. Here's Max D. See, those wheels look a little bit different. Maybe it's not the usual. So this is going to be kind of interesting. It's kind of like coloring Easter eggs, so to speak, almost. So let's go ahead and get some hot water and cold water and reveal the steel. Up first to go dunking will be Gravedigger. So let's go and put him in the hot water. Oh, that's pretty cool. Look at that. Does reveal the steel. That's interesting. That's pretty cool. Here's a shot to reveal the steel. Gravedigger. Kind of a chrome look to it. There's the back. Up top. Very cool. Kids will like this. Let's go ahead and dunk them in the cold water and bring back the paint. And there we have it. Back to normal. So let's go ahead. And now I'll get Max D. There you go. It's kind of hard on Max D a little bit, but you can see that it does reveal some of the steel on Max D, even though he's gold. Maybe leave him in there for a couple more seconds. There we go. So there's what Max D looks like when you reveal the steel. And let's go ahead now and put him in the cold water and turn him back to normal color. There you have it, back to normal for Max D. So hopefully you enjoyed this unboxing and review, and again, this is gonna be my only review of the 2 packs of the color changers for 2020. So thank you for tuning in.